Hi there, students. Manners maketh man, or probably in a more modern form, manners make the man, or manners maketh the man. Okay, this is a proverb saying that the way that we behave to people shows our character, or that a good man, a good person, a good human is somebody who has a strong sense of morality. Yeah. So if you see people being helpful or altruistic or things like that, you can say manners maketh the man. Manners make the man. Okay, so a person can be judged by the way that they behave to other people. So manners, yeah, the way of behaving, especially being socially correct and showing respect for people's comfort and feelings. Okay, so manners maketh the man. Good manners and civility are essential to humanity. So I think really it's got two very close meanings, that good manners and treating people right and treating people properly are essential to humanity. Or you can also take it that good manners and good behaviour and correct morality show that you're a good person. Yeah, so manners maketh man. Manners maketh the man. They show your strength of character. Okay, formality. This is probably fairly formal. Well, not that formal. I think I would probably give it a 6. Notice a 6 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation or above. Use it in something very formal as well, if you want. Notice maketh. That th at the end is instead of s. So manners make the man. Yeah, manners makes the man, but maketh. And then as to origin, the origin of this is quite interesting. I was looking at it, and firstly I saw it attributed to William Horman, who was the headmaster of Eton School in the late 15th and early 16th century. But clearly it's earlier than that, and it actually comes from William of Wykeham. Yeah. Now, William of Wykeham was the Bishop of Winchester and the Chancellor of England in the early 14th century. Let's see, he was probably the richest man in the country at that time. And he founded New College, Oxford. So he was the instigator of New College, Oxford. And he also founded Winchester College, which is the school that the current Prime Minister, Rishi Sunak, was head boy at. Okay, and both of these places, both New College, Oxford, and Winchester College, have manners maketh man as the motto of their establishment. So I think one of their aims is to teach people to have good manners, to think about everyone else, and this is a way of making humanity, the human condition, a better thing. Okay, so Bishop Waltham, yeah, Bishop Bishop Wickham, yeah, a very, very important person at the time, Bishop William Wickham. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Manners maketh man, or more modernly, manners make the man. Manners, Yeah, manners make the man. Bye for now.